Yeah.
Wow. Ah! There's so many of them. Odie, why do you attack my cable? Huh? Oh. Where are you at?
I don't even know right now.
Sometimes if the zombie's alive for too long, it just dies. Like,
Really?
yeah, if it can't find the way to its path, then it dies to free up space for more zombies. But sometimes they'll just commit seppuku, like mid-run. They just die. Where are you? I hear you.
I'm just like Spider-Manning around.
Oh, I see you.
I'm on the crane now.
Did I hit you?
Yeah.
Hey, punk. Come here. That took me a second.
Dang it.
I think Odie is just trying to make me upset right now. Just trying to troll me.
What's he doing?
He will just sit and like attack my feet or my cord. Hey, it's not something to be attacked. That's my phone.
Battle cat.
You're not. Yo, I just figured out something cool. If you aim the hook below you, you can get air.
Can what?
So like I'm on the side of this building right now,
Uh-huh.
and if I aim it below me, it pushes me up. That's kind of cool. So it's faster to climb that way, it seems like. Well, let me see. Maybe not. Good boy. Oh, hey there. No! Yo! That was such a good hit. Get out of here. Oh! No, no, no!
Dang it!
You got me though. I mean, because of you, I died.
That was close.
Yeah. All right. Do you want to do? Let's see. I want to see what Doom 2 is. Ooh. You down?
I did this one.
You down to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Let's do no hook shot on this one.
Okay. And then I'm gonna.
I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Sorry, I just started it. And I will do a battle rifle. Doom 2.
I'll just use it then.
Oh, this is a cool ass map.
Yeah, it's pretty dope. Oh, there's other people playing.
Yeah, we got one other guy. I know. Cerulean. I'm like wanting to get out of here without break. Oh, that's some zombies. Yeah, this is a good map for it because I feel like they don't all spawn in the same spot. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Is this guy out here
the space one, but it's not floating?
Yeah. Is this guy out here just destroying everything?
No, that was me throwing grenades to try to make a little cavern in the middle.
Oh, hell yeah.
Trying to make this just cavern that goes way deep.
Join our teabag party.
He's trying to hit us.
Yay!
Oh, no.
Yay! Oh! Where did he come from? Jeez.
I don't know.
Oh, we got more. Yeah, you see little lasers where they like spawn in. It's kind of funny.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we can get up on top of the
down.
complex, too. That's cool. This is a nice little mellow map,
Yeah,
nothing
I like
too crazy.
Map.
I guess they spawn inside the complex. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it seems like they're inside. Time to kill some zombies. Let's see if we can actually get to the score. Well, I only need 92 more kills.
I just am throwing a grenade in this little hole. Getting him.
There used to be some really fun parkour maps that people would play on this. Hello.
Parkour maps?
Parkour, yeah.
Hmm.
So basically it's like the zombies keep coming up and up for, like, they start climbing and you have to beat them. And then once you become infected, you chase the other players. It's pretty crazy because you're just like jumping as fast as you can, try not to die.
Trying to figure out how to get out of here.
There's a way I can show you. I'm just trying to see if there's any more zombies spawning, but I guess not.
Dude, yeah, I'm gonna take the energy sword, to be honest.
Do it. Send it.
How do you use, like, the power up? Oh, you hold it down.
Yeah. I'm gonna stick with the battle rifle for once. I always use sniper.
This thing is sick.
Our lovely zombie boys. Oh, there they are.
I know, I want a ton of them to start coming.
Oh, they're starting to come in now. That's 3 of them I just saw. This little cave is kind of cool. It's almost like it's natural.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
looks like a
jeez.
Minecraft cave.
They're coming. A lot of them are spawning in the back of that facility area. So if we go clear that up, by the time we clear it up, they're going to start spawning out here again.
Yeah.
Let's make the game harder. Why not?
Yeah.
Oh, hello guys. I closed up that wall so they wouldn't come through the door. I'm going to do the same here, actually. Oh, he made it. Ow. Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
Oh no, our boy died.
Oh shoot, grenade, sorry. I keep thinking that's attack.
You're good, dude. Same.
It's like my power up move or whatever, but it's not.
It's fine. Everything's fine. I hear him. No! He got me. Damn.
Dang it. That was hard.
Do you want to do the... Well, actually, Dead Space 1 isn't too good right now. Let's do, maybe... What's Mental Institution? Ooh.
Oh, let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah. Weapon options, hookshot off, and start. Oh, he's already started as a zombie? That's bunk. Well, shoot, dude.
It's a zombie, what the heck?
He's destroying stuff. Should have chosen a shotgun on this map.
Yeah, this is a close combat.
All these little rooms. Oh, he's right behind you! He's right behind you! No!
Jeez.
He won't die! What? What the? What? Okay, I want to do this one again. I'm going to the shotgun this time. Why aren't the zombies dying? Bruh!
No.
Is this some lag or what?
Straight up.
What? I made myself a block. Hopefully they won't notice. Oh, we lost our cerulean, dude. Can you see me on the radar?
Yes.
Gross. That's bunk. He's digging. I hear you.
Trying to get downstairs somehow.
Sometimes if you can't mine the ground, you just gotta crouch. Okay, they say that they fixed it.
Really?
Yeah. Once you find me,
Dude,
I'll
that
go
makes
look.
me pumped. I'm so excited to play Minecraft.
Same.
What the?
Your head was like spinning around. That was weird. Do I even want to go upstairs? That's sketchy, bro. What we need to do is like to make this even better, honestly, on maps like this, set a time limit. We set a time limit for like 3 minutes or something.
For sure.
Because otherwise it just keeps going forever. This is a good map though, I like this one. How the hell did you get out there? This is a crazy game of hide and seek. The zombies like immediately know where I am though, which is dumb.
Yeah.
They just try and find the shortest path to me.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Are you just following them?
No, I'm just looking for you on my radar. Digging up. What the?
It's right there. I just
How did you do that?
Wait, did you say why or how?
How?
I just hold down right trigger. No, stay back. No, leave me alone. I don't like this anymore. Ooh, we have another zombie. It's pretty stupid though, huh?
Yeah.
I blend in. This is scary. I can hear you guys, but I don't know where you are. Raw! Raw!
Yes. Yes.
I was busy typing!
Yeah.
Alright, you down for one more and then we go play some Minecraft?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do... Ooh, this is a fun one. Okay, and then zombie options on, zombie fiction on, max AI zombies off. And then...
Ooh, this one looks fun.
It should be. And we're gonna do shotgun and BR. Yeah, if we get into the actual space, it makes life a lot easier.
Yeah. Oh, there's a couple people on here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. How much is Ravenfield? That's another game I want to get.
It's like 15 bucks, I think. It was on sale the other day. It might still be.
Oh,
Honestly.
really?
Yeah. It's really
Check
fun.
it out. I love the somersault thing. That's pretty nice.
Right?
It's like a really good dodge because you can do it any direction.
Yeah, exactly. I think we can go in here and climb. We can.
You can climb?
Oh, like, you can climb some walls, but yeah, I'm up on the...
I didn't know you could climb any walls.
Well, not like climb them, not like Assassin's Creed it, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, they're coming in from everywhere, bro.
I know. It's actually kind of hard.
I should have kept my BR. They're coming for me. Uh-oh.
How did you get up there?
There's just, you just gotta get inside. Oh, he pulled me towards... Ah! Shoot, dude. They're coming for me. We gotta stay alive. Oh, they're tugging me. Oh, jeez, thanks. I didn't even see him.
Sniper's pretty good on this map too.
Oh, yeah. Nice. I'm sorry, Isaac, I tried.
No.
I was literally, I'm not that great with the sniper if it's not quick, honestly.
No, it's
Not even gonna lie. Alright, let's go get some,